Hi everyone, you are watching Aditya Prasida Legal YouTube channel, and today I am going to show the part 2 of the CINAGRO Drip Irrigation Kit, which is the installation, and many people were asking me to show it, so I am going to show it today. So before that, I would like to wish everyone a happy Independence Day. So let's get started with the video. As you can see, you have to first lay out the 16 mm feeder pipe, the 16 mm pipe which is bigger. You have to place it next to the plants, which is potted or anywhere, and you have to use this drip hole puncher to poke the holes inside, and then you have to insert the pin connector. The pointed part should go inside. I can't show it to you because it's really hard to insert it, and my parents have done it. And this is not a pointed part over here. The inside one is a pointed part. And you should not forget to prick holes. You should prick holes which is next to the plant. You should not prick holes anywhere. So first you have to think about that, where you want to prick the holes with this drip hole puncher. And then this is a 4 mm feeder pipe, and you have to just light it up so that it can go inside and just insert it. So that's how you insert the pipe. I'm only showing this with one part. The rest is the same process, and you can do it with the other parts. So this is the 4 mm feeder pipe, and I have already connected it to the 16 mm pipe. So I placed this. Then you have to use this, which is called as a stack, and you have to just place this inside. The stack helps to support your 4 mm feeder pipe in the mud, and this is the emitter which controls the force, and it makes the water come drip by drip, and you have just insert it by pushing it in, and it's that simple. Then you have to just place in your feeder pipe. So this is the stack, the 4 mm feeder pipe, and the emitter. So it's that simple process. Now I'll be turning on the tap and I'll be showing you how this works. So now you can see that the water is coming out drip by drip. You can see it pouring down. So this is how the drip irrigation works, and this is the installation, how to do it. I have showed you, and the same thing you can do with all the parts. So it's really easy and cheap way, and the product link is given in the description below. And if you want to buy a timer, the video link is also given in the description of how to insert an automatic timer, and it will water your plants automatically. So that's a really good feature where you can fix it with a drip irrigation, or you can connect it with a sprinkler system also. So it's really good. At a specific time, at a specific duration, it will water your plants automatically. The video, as I told, it's given in the description of the automatic timer, and as well as if you want to buy the CINAGRO Drip Irrigation Kit and the automatic timer, you can buy it from the description. So please give this video a like and share this video, and thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more videos like this and press the bell icon to get regular notifications. So once again, I would like to happy Independence Day to everyone. So Jai Hind and Vande Mataram.